Who's that key for Johnny has it? Who's that key? Is that
Rabam. So now this in that na never that down along so. Try you try you. So you want to make they go bury in a carton. Chicken inside carton. Mike, if you change, get away don't say ngata. My don't be ngata. My uncle go spend 3 million for move for prison.
This woman you are seeing on my screen lives in Cameroon. She is dating a guy outside Cameroon. So she was pregnant for the guy for 6 solid months. So the time that she was in the hospital for labor, she was caught that the pregnancy was a scam. So she had been dating the guy, which we normally say distance relationship. So he decided to use pregnancy to, cash out from the guy.
I don't want peace. I want problems. Always.
She had been dating the guy for so many years. Now that she was caught for being pregnant for the guy, not knowing it was a fake pregnancy. Do you know what she did?
If you want to talk to me, talk to me.
She will be calling the guy, hello. The guy live in different country. She will call the guy, hello babe, I'm pregnant. I need this amount of money. I'm going to hospital. The hospital bills, they say I should pay for this. They say, you ladies that are watching this video, you know how you used to do it. So this how she had been doing it, cashing out from the man.
How are you telling me this?
She had been doing that until 6 months of the pregnancy, and she decided to call the guy again. Hello babe, I'm going to the hospital. I'm in my labor. I want to go and deliver. So the guy was like, okay, go. Any amount of the money they demand, call me, I'll just pay. So when she was going to the hospital, she took a fowl that they've already buy. So she took the fowl and removed the feathers. When you remove the feather of a fowl, the skin of the fowl looks like a newborn baby. A newborn baby, the skin looks fresh. So the fowl skin also look fresh. So she decided to buy the fowl and remove the feather. She wrapped the baby, will I say baby? She wrapped the fowl in a white cloth.
Carry a picking for day. Now they picking that. Wait to see miscarriage say may they bury him. Pick a picking.
When you go to hospital, when they deliver, they give birth to a newborn baby, they wrap the baby in a white cloth. So she decided to wrap the fowl in a white cloth, put it in a sack. So when she reached the hospital, she placed the sack beside the hospital bed, so that if the doctor might go out to check up on different patients, she will quickly, take the fowl and represent the fowl as the newborn baby. This is a news from Cameroon News Agency. A woman identified as Cheslin, this is the name, Cheslin. The name of the lady is Cheslin, has allegedly faked a miscarriage after pretending to be 6 months pregnant. The bizarre incident occurred in Tico, Southwest region, where a chicken wrapped in baby clothes was discovered in a bag she brought to a hospital in the area. During investigation, CNA was told that the local clinic belonged to a certain Dr. She did it to the extent that when everything moved on successfully, she would take a picture and do video of the newborn baby, which is the chicken, and send it to the guy and tell the guy that our newborn baby has passed away. Yeah, so the boyfriend called one of his relatives that live in the same country called Cameroon, where the lady also lives. So he called the relative to go to the hospital to check up on her to see whether things are moving on smoothly. That was where the secret started exposing. So from the beginning of their relationship, the lady stole a motorbike and she was caught. So the guy have to pay an amount of 3 million in their currency. When you convert that to Ghana cedi, it is almost 53 500,000 Ghana cedi, 530 million. So the guy was asked to pay, and the guy paid it. So when the pregnancy case came around, the guy was like, Charlie, I'm not getting anything serious over here. So he called the relative to go to the hospital to check up.
I say open the far. Open that far. Open that far. Open it. Open that far. I will kill you. Open that far. Make a mama baby cry. Open that far. 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 So that the find this person are cooking there. Now they find this person. Now they find this person. Now they find this person are cooking there. Where about the close? Come, go chop that far. That's the government. You chop that far. Yes. You go chop that far. You go more chop that far today, Chanceline. You go chop that far. We to say, eh? You don't miscarriage. May the bury that pikin. Say na Johnny pikin. You go chop that far. You go chop that far. Pastor. Usara kinde. Pastor.
Chacha,
you go chop that far.
Chacha, you wicked.
You know you need that for you. You go chop that far. You go more chop that far.
And the payment you see job for everything anybody want to do for you.
After you don't go thief bike. He move for prison for 3 million. After you don't go thief bike. Now you there for you the back. You go more chop that far, Chanceline.
You pretend say you know well, Chacha. You see why we're looking for that night? I don't laugh. I laugh. What you want to explain? Chacha? They will show you where
they find this. Now they find this. He like say they will belay for Dr. Ben. Now this. He like say they will belay.
Chacha, you try.
Come for here. Come on. Drawing go more chop that far. Wicked girl. Wicked girl. See now that one chicken. Where are the face? And you know why you can't give me that chicken? Man, chop him. Can't say you do better. Come on for here. Come on for here. Come. Paso.
The owner no sleep for chicken. Carry a pikin.
Carry a pikin. Pass. Carry a pikin for day.
Bend down, pick him.
Now the pikin that wait to see them miscarriage say may they bury him. Pick a pikin. You are wasted. No. Go find that thing outside. Carry a pikin. No explain. Hold your pikin. Hold the pikin. No explanation. No, they hold your pikin for day. Hold your pikin. No explain. No, be like they sleep all the army then. Carry your pikin. So you want carry pikin with tower? Carry him. Go. Carry him. Yes. If you don't carry him, I'll come whip for there. Carry your pikin. Hold him.
Chacha,
It fix them.
I never ever told
Yes.
you. But if you don't carry this thing, you don't believe the other side of it.
You believe story. Let's
Who's the boy there? You chop that far today, Chanceline. You chop that far. Man, don't see that far. Make that far come. Man, take my eyes and see that far. You chop him. Steve. No worry. You come go inside. Where are they here? Why? Mike, you want to come say carry the back? He carry the back. So now I think in this way carry it for night. Inside the back, it also say they better.
It can't tell me that it's a belly hot.
Yes.
I'm saying all the people miscarriage is no be good. The morning tell we move be away. I'm saying come guy for inside my institution the play even with inside. What's her name? Yeah, she back. Me and
go rub your pikin. Put off your back.
Can't rub your pikin no. Go rub her no. Go rub your pikin no. That charm where you get from my uncle today, so the charm go die. Yeah, I don't move your wish. Come. Go rub him now. Go rub the chicken. One you go fry him or you go bury him. I don't pay no me. Say. that means say na the na the never that.
No, come on, can't carry this.
Can't carry this
Pack
thing.
it in them. Pack up. Who's that key for Johnny Haze? Who's that key? Is that for Ushas?
Rabam. So now this thing that na never that down a long so. Try. You try you. So you want to make they go bury in a carton. Chicken inside carton. Mike, if you change, get away don't say ngata. My don't be ngata. My uncle go spend 3 million for move for prison.
If you go, if phone the play, you can don't matter talk to doctor.
Here you go, May Waka. The kind of ones they begin for tie something for a waist. No, the thing you go. Carry a picking. Shame. Ooh, shame. 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 Oh. Shame. Oh. Shame. Oh. Shame. Oh. He said don't miscarriage when a chicken. No, leave her, mommy. Mommy, leave her, oh, chicken. Leave her. Carry that chicken for your hand. Who's that cane, sir? Who's that cane? Now give me that cane. Make that for your hand. Carry that chicken for your hand. Shame. Ooh, shame. Shame. Thief girl. Thief dog. Thief face. IPP go show you the money time. Make better be.
When I tell you that you should fear women, you tell me that I don't have any experience. What do I have to do with woman? I'm not old. I'm just young to say that to you people. You haven't seen fear woman. Thank you for watching this video. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on TikTok, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get a video of us like this to watch. Thank you for watching the video.